Today I will be making my first ever painting using both acrylic and Posca markers. The first step is going to be taping up the edges, and then I'm going to go into the sketching.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, big been dope on flame.
The next step is to paint the design, and to do that, I'm going to be using the Posca markers.
Stripping and dipping in base, slab on everything. Swimming, you shaking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, big been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in base, slab on everything, swimming you
I am really happy with how it's turning out so far, but I'm going to take a little bit of a break for today and start working on it tomorrow. It's day 2 of working on this design, and today I feel like I'm going to work outside because it's sunny and it's day like 433 of quarantine.
Only blue, no green, don't excite me. I can make a whole bunch of rivals. Her name is Miss Connie. I got one Glock, his name Fly, the other one ain't Bonnie. These bitches, they think they dandy, but they be just lying.
I take these journeys, they tear my system down, tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip perp to clear my head since you've been gone.
Now it's time to color in this last little bit with the Poscas, and then I'm going to get into the liner.
Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Spaced out, staring at the ceiling, talking to my demons. That's for a reason why I feel the way I'm feeling.
Well, how have I done this then?
One who cheated on the sex without no meaning. I like to keep her heart safe from my start beating. Now I try so hard to stay medicated, so I don't have to face the wrong I've done. I take these earnings, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety,
I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, and you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. Hold the wrist, I had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist, diamonds move a lag. Never switching position, that's where money be in my bag. Gotta thank God for all the shit that I got, I never had. Now that I'm in it, I got a ball. Roll it around.
I finished the painting now, and I really like it, so I hope you guys do too.
Taking it down, dominoes, then kick it out, adios. Stacking the bread, loud the door, hold the wrist though. Don't know where the switch though, got my pants off. Think I need a brain stroke, we keep it lit. I can't let these niggas